relationships, the true measure of love is shown through action and understanding. When a man is committed, he shows his love through protection and provision, ensuring the safety and well-being of those he cares about. When a woman is committed, she shows her love through nurturing and empathy, creating an environment of warmth and emotional security. That's why for a man, responsibility is his greatest power, and for a woman, empathy is hers. When a man learns to shoulder his responsibilities with honor and integrity, he builds a foundation of trust and respect. His actions speak louder than words, demonstrating his unwavering commitment. When a woman learns to embrace her empathetic nature, it doesn't mean she is overly emotional. She listens, understands, and provides comfort, creating deep and meaningful connections. Both responsibility and empathy are essential for a thriving relationship. When a man masters responsibility, he becomes a pillar of strength and reliability. When a woman masters empathy, she becomes a source of comfort and understanding. Together, these qualities create a balanced and harmonious relationship where love is expressed through both deeds and feelings, and partners support each other through life's journey.